Disclaimer. As business research students and MBA graduates from NMIM's Mumbai, our research, which employs the Indian Government Budget Report, Indian Economic Survey reports, RBI reports, company annual reports, and online tools such as Screener.in and Ticker Phonology, is intended solely for educational purposes. Our research must not be construed as stock recommendations or investment advice. It does not constitute financial or investment advice and should not be used as a basis for making any investment decisions. Amara Raja Batteries Limited, ARBL, the flagship company of the Amara Raja Group, stands as a technology leader and is one of the largest manufacturers of lead-acid batteries for both industrial and automotive applications in India's storage battery industry. ARBL serves prestigious OEMs and exports its industrial and automotive batteries to over 50 countries worldwide. In India, Amara Raja is the preferred supplier to major telecom service providers, telecom equipment manufacturers, the UPS sector, OEM and replacement, Indian railways, and various other industries like power, oil, and gas. Termination of shareholders agreement tie-up with Johnson Control, stake sell. In July 2023, the then second largest stakeholder in ARE&M US-based PE firm Brookfield Asset Management, Brookfield, offloaded its entire 14% stake in ARE&M, held through Clarios ARBL, to mutual funds and other investors. Promoters stake. On February 16, 2024, RN Gala Family PV Limited, promoters of ARE&M and also shareholders of Mongol Industries Limited, received 12,864 shares under a special arrangement merger, increasing their holding in RN Gala Family PV Limited to 32.86%. The ownership structure is as follows. Promoters hold 32.86%, FIIs own 23.84%, DIIs have 14.55%, and the public holds 28.76%. Number of shareholders, 6,622,428. Acquisitions. The company will issue 1.22 crore equity shares for merging the plastic division of Mongol Industries, which will aid in backward integration into battery packaging. The acquisition of Amara Raja Power Systems Limited, ARPSL, was completed, with ARPSL becoming a wholly owned subsidiary, WOS, effective from September 29, 2023. This acquisition is expected to strengthen their charging solutions offerings. Automotive Battery Division, 68% of revenue in FY23, applications 2W, 4W, and CVs, largest exporter of 4W batteries, first AGM battery manufacturer for 2W, setting up a 1.5 LPTA lead recycling facility through the wholly owned subsidiary ARE&M. Industrial Battery Division, 30% of revenue in FY23. Applications telecom, railways, power control, solar, UPS, market leader in the telecom sector, first to introduce VRLA batteries in India, largest integrated facility for MVRLA batteries, pioneered battery solutions for Indian railways. New Energy and Mobility, 2% of revenue in FY23. LI cell and pack manufacturing, EV charging products, energy storage solutions. Developed India's first 21-1700 cylindrical cell, NMC 8111. Successfully powered an e-bike using in-house NMC-based 2170 cylindrical cells. Setting up E-Positive Energy Labs, a unique innovation and research facility. Strong distribution network. The company boasts a comprehensive network of 23 branches, 39 distribution points, 500-plus Amara franchisees, 100,000-plus points of sale, 1,000 Power Zone retail stores, and 2,000-plus extensive service hubs across India. It exports batteries to 50 countries and aims to establish a presence in demanding markets such as Europe, North America, and South America, while deepening its presence in Southeast Asia, West Asia, and African markets. Plant and location. Geographical split FY23, domestic 88%, exports 11.92%. Customers. The company supplies automotive batteries under original equipment OE relationships to prominent manufacturers like Ashok Leyland, Ford India, Honda, Hyundai, Mahindra & Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, and Tata Motors. Their industrial and automotive batteries are exported to 49 countries within the Indian Ocean Rim. In FY23, the top 5 customers contributed to revenue of 354.34 crore. CAPEX and other developments. The overall expansion at Amara Raja's Advanced Chemistry Technology Center, ARE&M, is expected to cost around 9,500 crore, to be undertaken in phases over the next 10 years. ARE&M plans to invest Rs. 400 crore in Phase 1 of a lead recycling facility at ARSPL, and up to Rs. 1,500 crore through ARE&M over the next 2.5 years. Additionally, the company's routine annual capital expenditure, CapEx, is expected to range between Rs 300 to 350 crore. This plant will fulfill 30% of their lead requirements. Manufacturing facility. The company currently operates 7 manufacturing plants spread across 2 locations in Andhra Pradesh, specifically in Tirupati and Chittoor. Annualized capacity, 4W batteries, 19.2 million units, 2W batteries, 30 million units, industrial batteries, 2.3 billion AH. Loss of tubular battery manufacturing unit due to fire. On January 31st, 2023, the company lost its annualized manufacturing capacity of 1.8 million tubular batteries due to a fire. This unit had generated 700 crore in revenue in FY22. The recognized loss amounted to Rs 438.6 crore for FY23, subject to technical inspection and assessment of recovery or salvage value. The plant was fully insured, and the management plans to rebuild it using the insurance proceeds. The claim has been admitted. To meet the demand for tubular batteries, especially for home inverter applications, the company has outsourced production to quality-conscious vendors. Strategic initiatives. As part of its strategic initiative to enter the new energy business and EV battery sector, the company entered into a transaction agreement with Innobat AS, formerly known as Innobat Auto AS, based in Oslo, Norway. The investment was made through conditionally convertible instruments valued at Euro 9.9 million. However, due to unmet conditions, the investment is considered a loan as per the agreement, recoverable within 1 year from the initial investment date, along with simple interest at 8% per annum. The company has also invested in Log9 with Rs 36.99 crore in August 2021 and Rs 77 crore in August 2022, currently holding a 14.33% stake in the company. Lithium battery manufacturing. The company has planned a giga-corridor in Divitapalli, Telangana. Total capex announced INR 9,100 crore with a Memorandum of Understanding MOU signed with the government of Telangana, setting up E-Positive Energy Labs, a unique innovation and research facility in Hyderabad, Telangana. Land allotment completed, spread across 262 acres at Divitapalli, Telangana. Customer qualification plant, targeting a 16 gigawatt-hour cell capacity over the next 10 years. Phase 1 commercialization is expected by FY26. Environmental issues. In 2021, the Andhra Pradesh Pollution Control Board ordered the closure of Amara Raja's plants in Chittoor and Tirupati. The company appealed against the order in the Andhra Pradesh High Court, which has extended the interim suspension of the closure until further orders, without specifying an end date. 1997 reached a significant milestone with sales and order bookings surpassing Rs 100 crore. Plans for backward integration into plastics were set for completion by the end of November 1997. Undertook a modernization and capacity enhancement program to increase production from 180,000 to 275,000 batteries per annum. 1998 entered equity participation with Johnson Controls Inc., USA, to diversify into SLI auto batteries. Became an approved vendor for Mahindra Ford and started working on approvals from other major automobile manufacturers. Explored options for 5 megawatts captive power generation or a power purchase agreement with AP Gas Power Corporation Limited, APGPCL. 1999 successfully started the automotive division, supplying exclusively to Ford, General Motors, and Mercedes-Benz. Increased production capacity from 120 lakh AHA to 332 lakh AHA. Developed new battery products for various applications and the replacement market with assistance from Johnson Controls Inc. 2000 launched high-performance UPS batteries under the Combat range, receiving positive market response. Introduced Amara high-life batteries for the domestic market and established a large retail network in 5 metros with plans to expand to 15 cities. Secured exclusive contracts to supply batteries for Ford Icon and all domestic models for Mercedes-Benz India Limited. 2001 added new OEM accounts, Ashok Leyland, Cargo, and Mahindra Bolero. Launched and expanded the Amara Automotive Aftermarket brand to over 25 cities. Entered a contract with Myco to manufacture and supply private label products under the Bosch brand. Plan to add new products for the inverter, farm, and truck sectors. benefited from the government's imposition of anti-dumping duty on battery imports from Korea, China, and Japan. 2002 launched new products, GenPro, maintenance-free VRLA generator starting battery, and Brute, maintenance-free motive power battery for forklifts. Added new OEM clients, Swaraj Mazda, Telco 407, and Hindustan Motors Lancer. Secured a private label account with AC Delco for General Motors spare parts operations. It benefited from government-imposed anti-dumping duties on certain Asian countries. NERS 2003 launched Quanta UPS batteries, expanding the industrial battery market. Added new automotive OEM clients, Fiat Palio, Honda, Accord, International Tractors, General Motors, Eicher, and Telco Heavy Vehicles. Expanded the aftermarket network to 21 states with over 100 franchisees. Export revenues grew by nearly 500%, expanding both the country and client base. Secured export contracts with Comfort Delgro Cabs, Singapore, and Dubai Transport, UAE. 2004, the launch of Quanta UPS batteries led to a 272% volume growth year-on-year. Expanded OEM relationships, adding Eicher Motor commercial vehicles, Eicher Tractors, International Tractors, Honda City, GM's Optra, and Ford Endeavour. Export revenues grew 147%, with new accounts in Australia, Kuwait, and Tanzania. Strengthened ARE&M programs in Sri Lanka, Nepal, UAE, and Singapore. Exported industrial batteries to Taiwan, Oman, and Ghana. 2005, entered into an OE relationship with Maruti Udyog Limited, expected to significantly boost future volumes. Approved expansion of automotive battery capacity from 1.5 million to 2.4 million units per annum, with an estimated outlay of $388 million. Exported automotive batteries to new markets including Japan, China, and Greece. Expanded the domestic market with new products like Amara Pro, Go, and Fresh batteries. Increased the retail network with more pit stops and active retailers, enhancing product reach and brand recall. 2006, commenced supplies to Hyundai Motor India Limited. Retained as the exclusive supplier for Maruti's Swift. Entered into an exclusive supplier relationship for Tata Motors Ace. Export volumes grew by 83%, with new markets in Japan, Singapore, Australia, Taiwan, the Philippines, DAE, Kuwait, and Greece. Expanded automotive battery capacity to 3.6 million units per annum. Expanded the industrial 2V VRLA facility from 20 million ampere hours to 29 million ampere hours per month. 2007, expanded 2V VRLA capacity to 400 million AH, and automotive battery capacity to 3.6 million units per annum. Announced ARE&M, 2016 million investment for further capacity expansion to 5.4 million units and a new two-wheeler and SVRLA facility in Tirupati. Launched a new retail format called Power Zone to serve rural markets with automotive and power products. Entered new export markets including Afghanistan, Hong Kong, and Tanzania. 2008, product innovation launched the Power Zone concept stores, introducing a 60-month warranty battery in the Indian automotive market. Capacity expansion, increased installed capacity to 3.9 million units and planned further expansion to 4.4 million units. New retail formats, expanded to 400 Power Zone outlets and 120 Amara pit stops, with plans for further growth. 2009, enhanced large VRLA operational capacity from 450 to 900 million AH. Developed small VRLA batteries for commercial and household applications. Entered into an agreement with Tata International Limited to market batteries in Africa under the Amara brand. Launched a new motorcycle battery, the Amara Pro Bike Rider, with VRLA technology and a 60-month warranty in the aftermarket. Reduced battery charging cycle time by 20%. Implemented Six Sigma and TPM initiatives to optimize production processes. 2010, developed and commenced supplies for the first Indian micro-hybrid vehicle, Scorpio, from Mahindra & Mahindra. Completed the design and development of a micro-hybrid program for Tata Motors Ace vehicle. Entered into a development agreement with Honda Japan for motorcycle VRLA batteries. Expanded the distribution network, added new franchisees, and increased retail presence. Developed and started supplying batteries for Tata's SUV Aria. Re-entered the Kuwait, Oman, and Dubai markets. Approved as a supplier for Cummins and Ford for specific battery needs. Launched a new battery product with Bharti Airtel for their Africa network expansion. To 2012, doubled export volumes, expanding markets in Africa, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Expanded the distribution channel by adding 25 Aqua partners. Partnered with Bharti Airtel for network expansions in Africa, Sri Lanka, and Bangladesh. Invested in capacity enhancement for the medium VRLA product line with rupees 1,900 million. Expanded the Amara channel with 34 new franchisees. 2013 launched Quick Recharge Series, QRS batteries for telecom tower applications with a strong market response. Aggressively marketed automotive batteries to Maruti's Zir and Swift diesel platforms and Hyundai's Eon platform. Expanded channel partners in semi-urban markets, significantly boosting sales volumes. Introduced Amara and PowerZone branded tubular inverter batteries and home UPS systems, enhancing product offerings and market share. Approved investments for enhancing automotive battery capacities to meet growing demand. Tesla in 2014 commenced bulk supplies to the two-wheeler OEM business, strengthening the market position. Introduced new Quanta Series UPS batteries, boosting market share in the IT and banking sectors. 2015, increased production capacity, expanded capacity at the LVRLA and MVRLA facilities, achieving significant improvements in production efficiency. New product introductions, regularized the manufacture of 2 new products for the telecom industry. New facility, commissioned a new 4-wheeler battery plant in Chittoor district, adding substantial production capacity. Investment in tubular batteries, approved an investment for a new tubular batteries manufacturing plant for home UPS application. 2016, new 4-wheeler battery plant, commenced supplies from a new plant, increasing capacity to 8.25 million units per annum. Two-wheeler battery expansion. The board approved an expansion plan to increase capacity from 11 million to 25 million units per annum over 4 years. Increased export business. Export volumes grew by 33%, expanding the distributor network to new countries. New tubular plant commenced supplies, supporting growth in the automotive battery segment. 2017 expansion. Initiated a greenfield unit for two-wheeler batteries at Chittoor with advanced technology to reduce lead consumption. New accounts, became the exclusive battery supplier for Renault Kwid and secured supplies to Bajaj and Hero for two-wheeler batteries. Projects, commissioned a 1 million unit capacity tubular battery facility. 2018, expansion into motive power. Introduced Amara Brute batteries for motive power applications, gaining market traction. New product launch, launched tubular flooded batteries for rural banking applications, approved by 2 major OEMs. International expansion, established a subsidiary in the Middle East to enhance market presence and service. 2019, new plant, announced a greenfield automotive battery plant with a capacity of 6.5 million units and an investment of 700 crores. Technology licensing, signed a technology license agreement with Johnson Controls for advanced stamped grid technology with a capital investment of 540 crores. Significant orders, received a major order for energy storage battery systems from Africa. Expansion, established Amara Raja Batteries Middle East, FZE, to enhance market presence in the Middle East. 2020, launched commercial operations at Sharjah, UAE, and expanded distribution across Africa, the Middle East, and Asia Pacific. Supplied the world's largest lead-acid energy storage system, 37.83 megawatt-hours, for African universities. Secured a major defense sector project for VRLA batteries covering 342 sites. 2021, initiated the supply of automotive batteries to Schneider. Opened 2 more international pit stop locations totaling 17. Introduced a new range of tubular batteries for inverter and e-rickshaw applications. Received a license to market the AC Delco brand in India.
20's expansion.
Commenced sales operations in Nigeria and Indonesia, expanding the global footprint. New site rollouts, added telecom sites in Andhra Pradesh and Orissa, captured Adani's data centers. Strategic partnerships, established a joint research center at SRM University for next-gen lithium-ion batteries. 2023, 20% growth in the industrial battery division due to economic resurgence and 5G technology adoption. Notable demand from the telecom sector, bolstered by 5G and 4G expansions. Secured new orders for data centers, enhancing UPS battery demand. Fire in the tubular battery unit causing significant damage, leading to insurance claims and ongoing recovery efforts. Initiated the transfer of the new energy business to a subsidiary for enhanced operational efficiency and focus on the electric mobility sector. Engaged in substantial investments in digital transformation for supply chain optimization. 2024, investments in emerging technologies, significant investments in a gigafactory for lithium-ion cells, a battery recycling plant in Tamil Nadu, and technology startups. Digital transformation, deployment of AI-based technologies, and the establishment of digital backbones for the EV battery business. Acquisition, acquired a 100% stake in Amara Raja Power Systems Limited, ARPS, enhancing capabilities in industrial and EV chargers. Subsidiary activities, ARE&M in UAE and ARE&M in Telangana reported positive financial outcomes, with ongoing projects for battery recycling and lithium cell manufacturing. Name change, rebranded to Amara Raja Energy and Mobility Limited to reflect diversified business activities. Financials, key figures for Amara Raja Energy and Mobility Limited, 2013 to 2024. Revenue and profit. Revenue grew from 2,959 crores in 2013 to 11,260 crores in 2024. Net profit increased from 287 crores in 2013 to 906 crores in 2024. Earnings per share, EPS, went from 16.79 cents in 2013 to 49.49 in 2024. Financial health rose from 1,043 crores in 2013 to 6,750 crores in 2024. Total assets expanded from 1,770 crores in 2013 to 8,834 crores in 2024. For Amara Raja Energy and Mobility Limited, 2014-2024. Sales growth fluctuated over the years, peaking at 22.52% in 2015 and hitting a low of 0.68% in 2020. Recent years. Notable growth of 21.62% in 2022 and 19.48% in 2023, but slowed to 8.37% in 2024. A return on capital employed, ROCE, high efficiency, consistently strong with a peak of 42% in 2014 and 2015. Decline, gradual decline over the years, ending at 25% in 2024. Net profit margin, NPM. Profitability, highest NPM of 10.68 in 2014, indicating strong profit relative to sales. Variability, NPM dropped to a low of 5.88 in 2022, but improved to 8.05 in 2024. Summary, growth. Sales growth has been inconsistent, but showed strong recovery in 2022 and 2023. Efficiency. ROC has been high, but is trending downwards. Profitability. NPM has fluctuated, reflecting varying profitability over the years. Dividend payout, typically around 15%, peaking at 29%. Amara Raja Energy and Mobility Limited has shown impressive growth in revenue and profits over the years, with a significant increase in reserves and assets, reflecting strong financial health and continuous expansion. SWOT analysis. Strengths. Market leadership, leading manufacturer of lead-acid batteries for industrial and automotive applications in India. Strong client base, prestigious OEM clients, and significant market share in telecom, UPS, railways, and power sectors. Global reach, exports to over 50 countries, strong distribution network with extensive service hubs and franchisees. Innovation and technology. First to introduce VRLA batteries in India, pioneering battery solutions and ongoing investments in R&D. Financial growth. Consistent revenue and profit growth, robust reserves and assets. Weaknesses, environmental issues, past issues with pollution control, leading to temporary plant closures, dependency on lead, heavy reliance on lead for manufacturing, subject to price fluctuations and regulatory challenges. Manufacturing risks, losses due to incidents like the fire in the tubular battery manufacturing unit. Opportunities, EV and new energy markets. Growing focus on lithium-ion battery manufacturing and electric mobility solutions. Backward integration, acquisitions and expansions into lead recycling and battery packaging for cost efficiency. Global expansion, plans to establish a presence in Europe, North America, and South America, along with deepening presence in Southeast Asia and Africa. Digital transformation, investments in AI-based technologies and digital backbones for supply chain optimization. Threats: regulatory challenges, environmental regulations and compliance issues could impact operations. Market competition: intense competition from other battery manufacturers and emerging new energy technology firms. Economic fluctuations: variability in economic conditions affecting demand, especially in automotive and industrial sectors. Geopolitical risks: export dependencies could be affected by geopolitical tensions and trade policies.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring the bell to get notified of our latest updates. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'm excited to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you. I'm Zayd Haji, a student of Business and Market Research, signing off. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.